Hey guys, it's Amanda with Vintagejunktofunk. I am working on a new project. I have two side tables here. I already painted one, and this is what I'm going to be painting today. So I wanted to kind of show you what it looked like up close because it almost looks as though someone like decoupaged or did something because of the texture. It just looks really texturized. I don't really know how to explain it. And on the top you can see, I don't think it came like this from the manufacturer. So I'm going to show you guys that you can literally paint over anything with DIY paint. So I did 2 coats on this guy, and I'm going to, and it almost looks like a wood you bend was put on there, but this actually, it came like that. So it almost like actually looks like I did more work. So this piece isn't done. I'm going to do some white wax around it when I get done with this one. So the color I picked today is, let me put you back up on my tripod real quick. Okay, so I'm using DIY Cherry Picked, which is this color here. And we are just going to get started. What I did first was I cleaned it with Dixie Belle White Lightning, and I actually put it in a water bottle instead of just dumping like a teaspoon in a bucket and using a rag and cleaning it like that. AJ, who is a Dixie Belle affiliate, puts it in a water bottle so you don't actually waste a lot of product. And then you just wipe it down with a wet rag to get that off. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. And this paint just goes on super smooth. It's like butter. I love it. I really want to show you guys how it goes over this side right here, because this is just like hideous. It really is. But I really think someone handmade it because I can see other colors here in the crack. And if you ever feel like your brush is dragging, you just want to spray some water. See, isn't that really nice coverage? And then for the detail around here, I just took a little artist brush and I painted around that to get in little grooves. So I changed my times, obviously, from, let me take the notifications off here, from 1 to 3:30, just to see if that time works out a little bit better for everybody. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm using DIY Cherry Picked from Debi's Design Diaries. I'm just painting here, putting the first coat on, and I think I don't want to wait till Wednesday. I think I'm gonna come back on here tomorrow and paint for you guys. Hey Dana, thank you. Isn't it beautiful? I actually on this piece over here, I tried putting bohemian blue on it and it just wasn't looking good. So I thought, since it's such a dark wood already, I thought purple would be a great color. So like I mentioned in the beginning, I think I actually know someone painted this. The texture of it is just weird. It almost looks like a decoupage. Hey Lynn, how are you doing? It almost looks like decoupage or something. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but it has like, I'll show you on the other side. It has like all these like ripples, and I've never done decoupage, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. And I can even show you on the drawer here. It looks as though someone decoupaged this. I don't think this came from the manufacturer like this. So I watch a ton of videos and that's how I learn. And it's frustrating. My last project was like, I cried like 5 times because I just wanted it to go right. But it's, you know, I'm new to this and you're gonna fail sometimes before, most times before you know, get good at stuff. That's just how it is. That's just how life is. You're going to fail. You're gonna fail and you're gonna have to practice. Practice makes perfect. So see how easy this paint goes on? Every once in a while you can spritz it with some water if you feel it dragging. You guys can see what I'm doing. I picked this color because this piece was so dark and I just thought it would look good with some white wax to distress this beautiful detail right here. Kind of lighten it up a little bit as well. So I already painted the back, just one coat, just so we can kind of speed up the process. Starting a new piece, the peacock piece. Everybody loved that peacock dresser that I painted last week. Thank you guys all so much for your support on that. Okay, I'm gonna get the bottom here. So that went on super easy, super fast. I'm going to pour out a little bit more for the top. I'm going to bring you guys up. This piece is really dry, so it needs a lot of water. I'm just using the continuous spray bottle. I got this one off Amazon. I know a lot of retailers sell it on their websites. So you can go support your retailer that's in your area or Amazon. Amazon has everything. So this is going to need 2 coats of paint. And I will go ahead and do that right now. You can see as it dries, it changes a different color. And then once you put your wax on, it will go back to that vibrant, beautiful purple color. So that's the top. Because it can get dry. I also really like this piece because since it does have that funky like texture to it, once I do some distressing and put different waxes on it and stuff, that's really gonna pop, and it's gonna make my job a lot easier. Yeah, after you put that first coat on, it gets dry pretty quick. So see how fast that I did that? I don't know how long I've been on. I've been on 25 minutes and I got 2 coats of paint on. So it goes on really nice over any surface. You guys saw what it looked like. This is what it looked like. Not very pretty. And you guys can just see how like it's like kind of wrinkly. I don't know like what that is. I'm pretty sure it's decoupage. All right, so I just got done with that. Go ahead and paint the drawers. Super easy. I already cleaned the drawers and everything. See how nice that goes on? So what I plan to do is put white wax around this. In the beginning of the video, it almost looks like I put wood you bend around. That's like a type of wood that is bendable when you heat it up. Everybody's obsessed with it. So I thought it'd be cool if I put like white wax and just like make it look pretty, tone down the purple, distress it.